Hello you guys, and welcome to my first video installing an intake for this Type S with no light. Of course, it's already dark. We're trying to do our best with no light. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install this once this product comes out to the public. HPS performance. Stay tuned. As you guys can see, I took out the stock intake. This is how it looks like once you remove the stock air box from the compartment here. So what you're going to do when you receive your product, you're going to see that this is covering that hole there. I think that's your resonator, if I'm not mistaken. Anybody could correct me on the comments below. So once you put this, it's going to clip on just like so. There you go. So everything's gonna be plug and play pretty much. You don't have to really do anything. Okay, that just sits there pretty much. In these grooves here, you're gonna tie them up. This is where it's gonna sit. And there's enough coverage here to protect the intake or any heat exposure. So obviously you're gonna assemble this. It's gonna come in different pieces. You're gonna put it all together before you bring it to your vehicle. So put it myself, tighten all the screws, all of these. You also have to put this one's from the original intake. So you just have to use an L wrench. And also this is a heat shield that you will have to put on as well. And everything comes in the box once you receive it. So let's go ahead and try to put this in here. I do apologize if my phone, I can't get to places that you can't really see at times, so bear with me here as I try to wiggle through here. Okay. So this is my second intake I received from HPS, thanks to them. So second one, I don't really need it. Or the first one, should I say. So whoever wants my first one, all right. So I'll have to come back and cut it here, just so I can go ahead and put this correctly with two hands, because it's a little difficult. All right. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and removed pretty much everything, but because it was a little hard to get in there when it's all assembled, so you have to disassemble it if you do it prior to you putting it in. But these are going to be hard to get to, so you have to remove the cone. So I did that, so it's easier to me to put these screws and tighten it up just like this. So they're gonna have instructions, of course, on how to when this product comes out pretty soon. Stay tuned. That's what they told me. So they have a lot of them being made right now. So they said they've been getting a lot of phone calls and emails about this product. So it should be out soon for all the enthusiasts. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and type that out. Alrighty guys, I just finished adding the intake, put it all together. It took me a while, I'll be honest with you. The rep said from HPS, it's just been the toughest intake he had to make for any car. But he did a great job. The fit and finish is perfect. Good quality. Heat shields perfectly, so you don't soak up the heat. This is a well-designed product. Can't wait for it to be out and for everybody to buy it. It was one of the few ones to I was actually the only one to receive this product, and I had it for about a year and no complaints, no issues. Please support HPS with their products. This is not an advertising or anything like that. It's just, you know, I like what they had provided, and the results are perfectly well designed. So stay tuned when the product will be on sale, which is in a few months from now. So hope you like my channel, subscribe, and also please give me a good thumbs up for all my videos. Thank you.